My goal for this year is to get abs. This is where a disaster happened. They were like, yeah, which one do you want? And I was like, are you serious? I made that a little spicy. I always put garlic and ginger in it, in my green juice, so I put a shit ton of garlic and ginger because everyone is sick right now. Quickly getting ready for the day because it's late. I woke up and did a lot of work on my phone, so it feels like I've been working all day, but I really haven't like moved around much. So I'm gonna clean my nail room today. It is the 31st of December, so we are basically going into the new year. And if you watched my previous video, you've seen that I cleaned my whole house other than my nail room. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna clean my nail room, and I mean like deep clean. I'm gonna bleach the fuck out of the floor. Everything needs to be spotless, no dust, dust on my shelves, everything. Tiny, what are you doing? I have clean laundry on my bed and he's rolling around in it. That's my stuff, Tiny. I'm also gonna go to the gym today. Yesterday we did core and my core is so weak. Like, that's my goal for this year, is to get abs, because right now I have a little bit of a belly pooch situation going on, which there's nothing wrong with that, but I'm just kind of over it. Like, I stopped vaping last year and that made me gain some weight because with stopping vaping I was like eating a lot of snacks. So I just want to get my core to looking like what it looked like before, but better, the upgraded version. For Christmas, Jay got me a bunch of new workout clothes. That was kind of like our deal. He wanted me to go to the gym with him, and I am like scared of the gym. And I told him, if you get me new workout clothes, I'll go, because then I'll feel like excited to get ready and go. You know what I mean? 2024 was hard, you guys. Like, Tiny, can you stop? 2024 was hard as fuck, you guys. Like, I'm seeing everyone post their reels of their like highlights of their year, and let me just tell you, like, I started my brand this year, and so that was like really amazing. And I'm not gonna say that nothing good happened, but I would say my year was harder than usual. But 2025, I'm changing my life, you guys. Like, you guys are gonna see a whole nother side of me working my fucking ass off, because I'm a hard ass worker. I always have been, but 2024 traumatized me, and I realized like 2025 we are coming stronger and harder than we ever have before, because I am not doing a redo of 2024. I'm really excited to be going into the new year with my fitness journey already started, because it's like I've been saying, don't wait till January 1st to start chasing your dreams. And the reason I say that is because like now I kind of feel like I got a head start, you know what I mean? Like, there is no better time than now to start doing things that you've been wanting to do to improve your life. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of or read the book Atomic Habits, but it's about improving yourself in your life 1% each day and how much of a difference it can make. Instead of going around thinking you need to make these drastic changes in your life and completely 360 your life, because let's be honest, it's so unrealistic to do that. Just try to do something to make yourself 1% better every single day, and it is so easy when you look at it that way, and you would be absolutely surprised and shocked when you see how much of a difference it really makes. Super simple makeup. Put some blush on so I don't look dead. I swear this is the best drugstore blush ever. The Milani Baked Powder Blush. It has like a slight like highlight to it, which I love. Alright, I'm gonna get dressed and we're gonna start cleaning. Okay, this is my nail space. It's a disaster. There is like so much dust on the ground. Let me see if I could show you guys. There is so much dust on the ground. This is the real and the raw, the ugly, you guys. This is disgusting. But I got like an empty acetone bottle. I've been so busy. I haven't had the time to clean it. This coffee cup is from yesterday morning, so it's not too old, okay? But still, it's getting out of hand in here. We need to clean. We need to organize. All of my drawers are also a mess, so that's another thing we're gonna work on. Organizing, making sure everything is nice in here. And yeah, so we got a lot of work to do.
I might just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You ain't I'm stuck up in my ways, but love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away.
I can't even believe how dusty everything is. Also, this little Hello Kitty, I forgot I got him. I just like never think about it because he's been up there forever. But I got him at a nail supply store. They had like a whole collection of different Hello Kitties. And I was like, dude, they had literally probably like 100 different like Hello Kitty plushes. And I was like, can I have one of those? And it was at this event, like a nail event. And there was a bunch of nail techs there. And they were like, yeah, which one do you want? And I was like, are you serious? And they were like, yeah. So they literally let me pick one and I picked him. Look how cute. I'm obsessed. Now this is his home up here. Everything was so dusty, you guys. I don't know if you can tell, but literally so dusty, like, ugh, I can feel it. So I'm literally taking every single item off of the shelves and dusting it. This is where a disaster happened. Look at this. All my bling. Literally a disaster, you guys. Like, it's like all these random jars under here. So let's try to organize this. But now I'm gonna vacuum because I did sweep to pick up like a lot of the big chunks of stuff, but I feel like vacuuming kind of gets all the little dust in all the crevices. So I'm gonna vacuum, mop, and then I think we're done, and I'm gonna show you the finished product. I cleaned out my drawers and everything. Let me know if you guys want like a full in-depth like tour of everything that's in my desk. It looks so much better in here. I'm so happy to be going into the new year with a clean space. The shelf has been empty for so long, so I added our record player, some of our records, and then these are really cool like melted records. And this one too, super cool. This is Run DMC, so cool. And we have a couple of magazines. I need to fill out the rest of this, but I need to figure out what decor I want to put in there next. You can see this room is literally huge. His workspace over here, we just hung up a bunch of his art like a month ago. And so this is like his little setup. He helps me with a lot of my work. So it's really nice to have his desk in a place where we can both kind of like work together if I'm over there and he's over here. I just mopped, so that's why his rug is up there, but I need to put it back down. But yeah, you guys, that was basically my day for today. I just had a very productive day cleaning. I'm waiting for Jalen to come home, and then I'm gonna go to the gym, or we're gonna go to the gym together. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want a full vlog like tour of my entire nail room, like all the desks, I mean all the drawers and everything. Let me know and I'll make a separate video for that. But for now, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
We stuck together, you must forever.